Good morning to everyone. I am Karthikeyan, MM School of Engineering, Trichirappalli. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, Unit 3, Routing. In these previous videos, we have to discuss the introduction of routing and what are the basic concept and what are the IP address of routing and what are the routing tables are used in the node to node routing path and what are the routing components we have studied and what are the routing types. Now, in these routing types, there are different routing methodology. Number one is unicast routing, multicast routing, anycast routing, and broadband routing. In first type, in this video, we are discussing the unicast routing methodologies. In the unicast routing, the most of the traffic on the internet and intranet known as a unicast data or unicast traffic is sent with a specified destination. Routing unicast data over the internet is called a unicast routing. It is the simplest form of routing because the destination is already known. Hence, a router just has to look up the routing table and forward the packet to the next hop. We see the diagram. In unicast routing, the sender to send the data or frames in the particular receiving node. That is a unicast routing methodology. And second one, broadcast routing. The sender to broadcast the multiple destination path to particular time to send the data in the all destination point to until the time of synchronous time period. And the multicast routing, the data to send the multiple destination path in the specified destinations. That is we send the source data to network option of destination side A and destination side C to send the multiple data in the multiple node at a time. So these are the different types of unicast, broadcast, multicast process. In this unicast method, we have to specify the one-way communication. That is to send the data to the particular destination only. Now we have to discuss the broadcast routing. By default, the broadcast packet is not routed and forwarded by the routers on any network. The router create broadcast domain, but it can be configured to forward broadcast in some special cases. A broadcast message is designed to all network devices. The broadcast routing can be done in two-way algorithms. What are the two-way? A router create a data packet and then send it to each host one by one. In this case, the router create multiple copies of single data packet with a different destination address. All packet are sent as a unicast, but because they are sent to all it in simulate as a router is broadcast. In this method, consume lot of bandwidth and router must destination address of each node. Second way, when router reach receiver a packet then that is to be broadcasted, it simply flood the packet out of all interfaces. All routers are configured in the same way. This method is easy on routers CPU but may cause the problem of duplicate packet received from peer routers. Now finally, the receiver reverse path forwarding is a technique in which router knows in advance about its predecessor from which it should receive the broadcast. This technique is used to detect and discard the duplicates. Now, another one is a multicast routing. In multicast routing is a special cases of broadcast routing with significant different challenges. In multicast routing, the packet are sent to all node even if they do not want to it. But in multicast routing, the data is sent to only node which want to receive the packet. The router must know that there are no node which to receive multicast packet, then only it should forwarded. Multicast routing works spanning tree protocol to avoid the looping methodology. In the multicast routing also uses reverse path forwarding technique, that is to detect and discard duplicate and loop. Okay, now the another one is anycast routing. In anycast packet forwarding is a mechanism which multiple hosts can have same logical address. When a packet destinated to this logical address is received, it is sent to the host which is nearest in the routing topology. In anycast routing is done with the help of DNS server. Whenever an anycast packet is received, it is encoded with DNS to where it send the data. The DNS provide the IP address which is nearest IP configuration on it. We see the structure of anycast routing. The data sent to the multiple destination node specifically to send the routing session to identify the route to give the data in the particular destination path in the shortest path duration. Thank you for watching this video.